Our team is Lone Rangers. We have chosen the use case 1, which is the sleep pattern analysis. The first use case provided by Hack-A-Roo. So this is the data set which we have been given. So it has attributes like date, slept, when he got up, how much duration he has slept. I mean, these are the ratings given by the user: how quickly he fell asleep, how easy he got up, and then how he felt afterwards after sleeping. So these three attributes are rated out of 5, and then. So what we have done first is that we thought initially we would compute all the statistics as it is for the data, but then what we thought was it doesn't make any sense to actually show the mean or median or overall on the overall data. So instead what we have done is that we have transformed all this data into weekdays, weekends. We have transformed this data into various categories. So we have transformed the date of the entry into weekday and weekend, and then we have also transformed the date into individual days like Monday, Tuesday, and stuff like that. And then we have transformed the duration of sleep into these categories, which you can see ranging from very short to very long, and the duration is on the right side. And then we have categorized the start time of sleep of the user from midnight to night. As you can see on the right, these are the timings to the specific categories. So after embedding these categories into our code, so we have created some analysis and charts, which I will display now. So we have done the analysis based on duration first. As you can see on the weekday, which is one, the user slept around 4.204 hours on an average. On weekend, he has slept around 4 to 4.25 hours. The change is not that significant because it considers all the elements. For instance, if the user sleeps at early morning or afternoon, there are very small amounts of sleep, but when he sleeps in the night, it is long amount. So this mean average of duration of sleep, you can say this is lesser. But if we further classify them into different levels, into different type of days, then we can see significant changes. So let's move on to the next chart. Here we have categorized this into different types of the day, and then weekdays and weekends. And then here is the average amount of time he has slept in minutes. So this is the graph which depicts the previous result. So as you can see, we have plotted several various graphs like this, categorizing them into weekdays, weekends, and duration types, and then the percentage of each type. So there, it's very difficult to explain it in 3 minutes, but this is the gist which we have done. So yeah, we have took the data, we have transformed it into weekdays and weekends, and we have transformed it into individual days of the week. And then we have identified the patterns of this data according to the amount of time the user has slept. We have identified several patterns which I can't show you right now because of there's a 3-minute limitation, but I hope I can show it on the presentation day. Thank you.